ABC animals for kids. More animals. A. A is for alpaca. B. B is for butterfly. C. C is for cat. D. D is for duck. E. E is for eagle. F. F is for frog. G. G is for gorilla. H. H is for hippopotamus. I. I is for impala. J. J is for jellyfish. K. K is for koala. L. L is for leopard. M. M is for meerkat. N. N is for nightingale. O. O is for octopus. P. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for quetzal. R. R is for red panda. S. S is for Shih Tzu. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for a Tanagan dog. V. V is for viper. W. W is for whale. X. X is for X-ray tetra. Y. Y is for Yorkshire Terrier. Z. Z is for Zorse.